True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. So today I am in the Westmoreland area. One place I'm calling Waterworks in Westmoreland. Very close to Ferris Cross, also Galloway. Yeah man, so enjoy the tour. If you're new to the channel, you can indicate where you're watching from. You will explore the beautiful side of Westmoreland. Waterworks. Yeah man, so enjoy the tour. Remember now, leave in the comment section, we know what I go on. If you come from that area, if you have any information you want to leave on the channel, just can leave the information. No, back in the days driving them area. So in case you was driving at them area and what if happened that you hit somebody off a bicycle, bike or pitney, just accidentally lit them off of the bicycle by their cars. Sometimes you have to be very careful. You just drive to the nearest police station. For your own good, you know, things may be changing now. So you just have to be careful when you drive in them area. Form an accident, if you lick somebody in the area, just find the nearest police station. I know I don't want to give them assistance, but some areas kind of bit off some of the time. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. So this is Rock James Hardware. Yeah man, so giving a tour of the place, giving a tour of Orange Street. Yeah man, so here so them call Orange Street. Some nice places in Westmoreland, you know, nice places. So view the beautiful Orange Street in Westmoreland. So this place come like it's a fruits name for on your right. That's where you have the banana close. On your right, you also have the mango close. Yeah, first me I hear one place like this. So this place come like the fruits housing scheme name. On your right, also you have Cherry Close. And also Grava Close. So I'm still on Orange Street. This is so beautiful. I love the name of this place. So they have a nice drainage system. Yeah man, also you have on your right you have the plum close. Yeah man, so we'll take you all back to the exit, take you back to the main road. Yeah, you know, you will see it from a different angle going back out. So enjoy the ride. Look at that nice hillside view up there. Yeah man, you have a few potholes in that area. Also you have a fire hydrant. Don't see any lot for sale in this area. Very nice area. Also on your right you have a park, thinking for the kids them to play. So I'm gonna make the right turn. So I'm now back on the main road. I'm gonna make the right turn. Yeah man, so we're in the waterworks area. So on your right, you have a Liam Close. This is close by to Orange Street, so you have different street in this area. Doreen Close. Yeah, man, tell us that you have some nice place in Westmoreland. Very nice area, man. So scheme them kind of look small, but looking very good house. Them kind of close beside one another, but it's a very good look. So I'm gonna take you onto Stephen Drive. So guys, you all can tell me what you think about this area if you would live here. Can you see where the foundation of this house area is very high? So I don't know if it's a water area, but the foundation is very high. We have some nice houses in this area, very nice area. So I'm now back on the main road in Water Works. So I just come from Rockville Meadows. Yeah man, it's Rockville Meadows. Yeah, man. So you can search online and see if you see any property for sale at Rockville Meadows. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.